Ninth class student, exercise 16.3, mensuration. Question number 2. क्वेश्चन में द circumference of circle is equal to 18 pi semi. Circumference formula is 2 pi r is equal to 18 pi. R is equal to 18 pi upon 2 pi. पाई से पाई और 2 9 जा 18, तो R इज इक्वल टू 9. रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल इज इक्वल टू 9 सेमी. द एरिया ऑफ सर्कल is equal to, formula is pi r square. R is radius, pi value is 22 upon 7. R is 9 square, 22 upon 7 into 9 into 9. After multiply 81 22 by multiply 216 2871 1782 divide by 7. 7 2 जा 14, 7 5 जा 35 and 7 4 जा 28 is equal to 254 4 upon 7 semi square. Area unit is semi square. Question number 2 is complete. अब now question number 3. Question number 3 is radius of semicircle mean half circle. Circular plate is equal to R 3.8 semi. Find the parameter, that is figure. Semicircle plate, radius AB is diameter, OB is equal to OB, OA is equal to OB, radius. We find the parameter of the perimeter of semi circular plate is equal to half perimeter of the circle pi r plus 2r. 2r mean AB. Parameter pi value is 22/7 into r value 3.85 plus 2 into 3.85 divided by 7.375 जा 35 और 5 आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाई 110 11 12.10 2 5 जा 10 7.70 आफ्टर प्लस 80 और 90. The parameter of semi-circular plate is 19.8 semi. Question number 4. Question number 4 is area of circle are given. Find the radius and circumference. Question number 4. Area of circle is equal to 144 pi semi square. Area's formula is pi r square is equal to 144 pi r. At first find the r. So now r square is equal to 144 pi upon pi. Pi divided by pi, r is equal to under root 144. R is equal to under root of. So now r is 12 semi. Circumference or parameter is equal to formula is 2 pi r. 2 pi value is 22/7. R is equal to 12. After multiply 5 to 8/7 semi. 7 7 जा 49. 7 5 जा upon 7 semi. Question number 4 is complete. Put the value. Question number 5. Question number 5 is a rectangular plate sheet rectangular sheet is equal to L is equal to 11 semi B is equal to 2 semi. Area of rectangle, why sheet is rectangular shape, L into B, L value 11, B value is 2, after multiply 22 semi square. That is figure. Let the rectangular sheet (11 into 11 semi or 2 semi). Cut the dice. This is plate. Diameter is equal to 0.5 semi. This type is cut by diameter. Squaring type, diameter should be side of the square. This type cut from the squaring shape. So side of square is equal to diameter 0.5 cm. Area of square, side into side, 0.5 into 0.5, 0.25 centimeter square is area of one square, which cut by circular disc, which diameter is 0.5 cm. Number of square is equal to area of sheet upon area of square. Area of one square. Area is 22 upon 0.25 after using point 125 for the 122 for the 88 number will cut the from rectangular sheet, which cut the diameter of this. Question number 6. Question number 6 is सेमी सर्कल रीजन इज इक्वल टू, यानी कि एरिया इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल इज इक्वल टू 77 सेमी स्क्वायर. Area of semicircle 1/2 pi r square, where r is radius of the semicircle. R square is equal 1/2 pi value 22/7 into r square is equal to 77. R square is equal to 77 into 2/22 divide by 22 11 7 जा 77. तो now r square is equal to 7 7 जा 49. तो r is equal to under root 49. R is equal to 7. We find its parameter, that is semicircle. AB is diameter, OA and OB is radius, which is 7 semi. The perimeter or semi circular region is equal to half of the parameter, half parameter pi r plus 2r. Pi value is 22/7, r value is 7, 2 into 7, 7 1 जा 7, 22 plus 14, 7 2 जा 14, after plus 36 semi. Parameter of semicircular region is equal to 36 semi. 7 question is given the figure, adjoining figure. Two diameter AC and BD, that is circle, diameter AC and BD. O is center, which intersect each other 90 degree. Shaded portion, diameter, both diameter make the divide into circle in 4 equal part. That is shaded part is 1/2. Seven A part. Figure, find the AC mean diameter at first, find the radius, area of shaded region called the portion is equal to 308 semi square. Shaded part is equal 4 part, 2 part is called semicircle. Area of semicircle is equal to 308 formula is 1 by 2 pi r square is equal to 308 1 by 2 pi value 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 308 r square is equal to 308 into 2 into 7 upon 22 12 11 ja 22 11 2 ja और 8 ja. After multiply r square is equal to 196 r is equal to 1 under root 196 under root of 196 is equal to 14 cm. तो radius is the length of AC is equal to 2 into R. Diameter AC called the diameter 2 into 14. 14 2 ja 28. Length of AC is equal to 28. And parameter, the parameter perimeter of circle formula is 2 pi r. 2 into pi value is 22 upon 7. R value is 14. 7 2 ja 14. 88 semi. Question number 7. A part is complete as second part as same. Pi value is reciprocal of the other part. Second part. Thank you.